Ramana, are you familiar with Fortinet firewall training? Are you familiar with Fortinet firewall?
Yes, sir, I'm familiar with NSE4.
So have you complete your training or do you have experience?
Actually, I work on firewalls also.
Okay, you are working with Fortinet firewall device, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, everyone, let's start our topic now. Okay, and I'm recording this session, and after the session, I will share with you same day or tomorrow. Let's focus on topic discussion first. This training is related with NSE5 training, and we have two modules to discuss, FORTIMANAGER and FORTIANALYZER. So we are trying to focus on topic discussion today. What topic we will cover in our complete training. Okay, so we have 7 modules in our FORTIMANAGER training, and this training will take minimum 10 to 14 hours. Everyone, you need to give 10 to 14 hours to finish this FORTIMANAGER training. Okay, and to start this FORTIMANAGER, you have the idea about how to work with Fortinet firewall device. Okay, what I can provide you? I can provide you into this training. I will provide you slides and notes. So after our session today, I have some notes related with FORTIMANAGER training, slides and notes I will share with you, and then lab setup software. Lab setup software. So for lab setup, I will share EVNG full pack, where you can add your FORTIMANAGER device, FORTIANALYZER, and FortiGate firewall. Ramana, are you familiar with EVNG software?
Yes, sir, I'm familiar with.
Okay, Vinuraj, you dear.
Yes, sir. And
Okay.
FortiManager, any system requirements, sir?
For EVNG full pack, you need to have 8 to 12 GB RAM in your
Okay.
laptop so
Okay.
that you can set up the lab. You can set up the lab for your FortiManager, FortiAnalyzer, Enterprise Firewall, and Fortinet SD-WAN. 8 to
Okay.
12 GB RAM is enough.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Now, let's focus on our topic discussion today. So our first topic is introduction and initial configuration. Introduction and initial configuration. So here we can get an idea about the product information about FortiManager device, the basic configuration like interface configuration, how to access FortiManager device, what is factory default setting, how to go with the dashboard option, how to work with the CLI command, how to go with backup and restore option, how to create multiple FortiManager administrator account, routing configuration. So these topics, these options we can discuss in introduction and initial configuration. After that, we can focus on administrations and management. Administrations and management. In device registration, we can get an idea about how to register our device. For example, you have multiple Fortinet products, like you have 48 firewall device, 40 switch, 40 authenticator, 40 ADC, 40 camera. Okay, multiple Fortinet products you have, and you want to register, you want to manage all the devices from a centralized location. So yes, you need to register. You need to register. So I have one FortiManager device, and this is centralized management. Okay, device like other vendor, For example, if you guys are familiar with Palo Alto firewall, so in Palo Alto firewall, we have a centralized management device. It's called Panorama concept in Palo Alto. In checkpoint firewall scenario, if you want to manage multiple checkpoint gateway, you need centralized management device. It's called checkpoint management, or you can say SMS server. Okay, if you are working with Cisco FTD, Cisco next generation firewall device. So to manage multiple FTD appliance from a centralized location, you can go with FMC, Firepower Management Center. So like other vendor, FortiGate is giving you option. FortiGate is giving you option. Yes, you have a centralized management option in Fortinet. You can go with FortiManager appliance. So you can do registration tasks. What you can do, you can register all your firewall devices. In our training, we have a firewall device. We can register all our firewall devices with FortiManager box. So how to register our device? How to register our device, we'll discuss here. And once you register your device, what is the next task? Your next task is to do device level configuration and installation. Device level configuration. For example, I want to configure interfaces, routing, other options. So device level configuration and how to install in firewall devices. How to install, how to push these configuration changes in FortiGate firewall appliances. We can discuss here. And if you face any issue, we can troubleshoot our network. So first we can register our device, then we can focus on device level configuration changes and installation. Okay, what is the next task? Next task will focus on policy and object. So how to create policy package here? In FortiManager, we are creating policy package. And these policy packages we can assign to FortiGate appliance. We have an option to create all the objects in a centralized location. You can create object. If you guys remember Fortinet firewall training, Fortinet is what? Fortinet is an object-oriented firewall. So we can create objects here. And these objects we can use in our configuration. So we have centralized option for object configuration. Object configuration. And these objects we can use in our device level configuration. We can use in our policy level configuration. Once you configure, once you register your device, once you do your installation configuration, policy and object, what is the next task? Troubleshoot. Diagnose and troubleshoot your network. Okay, and into this section, we can focus on deployment method first. Deployment method. How to deploy FortiManager device and what is the scenario we have for deployment? Can I connect my FortiManager device directly with internet? Or in case if I'm using my FortiManager device behind a netted device, then so we can discuss deployment scenario. Okay, we can discuss how to replace a existing FortiGate firewall device and how to troubleshoot our network, like policy packet installation issue, device registration or installation issues. So for troubleshooting, we have both options. Samir, Ramana, Vinuraj. For troubleshooting, we have
Yes.
both options, everyone. We can troubleshoot our network with the graphical page, and we can also troubleshoot with the CLI command. So we'll discuss both options, how to troubleshoot. So once you configure all the options, troubleshooting is important. Clear now, my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, in additional configuration, we can focus on high availability. High availability, we can focus on how to configure HA, high availability, because if I have multiple FortiManager devices, so how to go with the failover concept, like FortiGate firewall, like other vendor. So we can configure HA here. And in additional configuration, we can use our FortiManager device to act as a FDS server. What is FDS? Or you can say FortiGuard server. You can use your FortiManager device as a centralized FortiGuard server. No need to connect all your firewall devices with internet directly. No need to connect all your firewall device with 40 update device. My point is your FortiManager device can act as a FortiGuard server to download latest signature update, to update firmware version. You can do this from a centralized location. So these are the topics. These are the topics we have. Let's start our discussion with day one slide. Let's start our discussion with table slide. So what is FORTIMANAGER device exactly? What is FORTIMANAGER device? FORTIMANAGER we are using for centralized management. Yes, Vinuraj, any question here?
No, sir.
Ramana, any question?
No, sir.
Okay. So let's talk about some key feature. Some key feature about FORTIMANAGER device. So these are the key features. The first option, the first feature is what? Centralized management. Yes, we have centralized management option. You can manage your multiple branch offices firewall devices, multiple branch office firewall devices from a centralized location. From centralized location. It's a great option. If I have 10 firewall device, 20 firewall device, I can manage from a centralized location. In FortiManager, you can go with a concept is called ADOM. ADOM. If you guys remember in FortiGate firewall, we have VDOM concept. What is VDOM concept? Ramana, can you help me?
No, sir, I did not work on that.
Sorry?
I did not work on this video, sir.
Okay, VDOM is a virtual domain. Okay. We can divide our single firewall box into multiple virtual firewall box. Ramana. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It's a common concept. So my point is what in FortiGate firewall, we have VDOM concept, but in FortiManager, here we have ADOM concept. What is ADOM concept? So in ADOM, we can group our devices. What is ADOM? ADOM group devices for administration to monitor and manage. So if I have multiple FortiGate firewall device, everyone, what I can do, I can put devices in ADOM. I can put devices in ADOM, and these ADOMs I can assign to administrator. For example, I have 4 firewall devices, FortiGate firewall box 1, FortiGate firewall box 2, 3, and this FortiGate firewall box 4 is divided into 3 VDOM, virtual firewall, VDOM 1, VDOM 2, and VDOM 3. So you can see as per our slide, I'm trying to put these 2 firewall devices in ADOM 1. This FortiGate firewall box 3 and FortiGate firewall box 4 VDOM 1, I'm using in ADOM 2 and FortiGate firewall box 2, VDOM 2 and VDOM 3. These 2 devices I'm using in ADOM 3. To manage this ADOM, to manage this ADOM 1 and ADOM 2, yes, I have an admin account, admin A. So admin A is responsible to manage ADOM 1 and ADOM 2. And in ADOM 1, ADOM 2, we have devices. What is the purpose of ADOM? To divide administrations of devices and control restrict access. So we can go with ADOM option. We can put our devices in ADOM. We can put our devices in ADOM. Clear my point, Samir, Meenuraj, Ramana?
Yes.
So the second feature is what? ADOM concept. Now, the next feature, configuration, revision, control, and tracking. It's a great feature. It's a great feature in FortiManager device. Whenever you configure anything, whenever you do any kind of changes in any firewall device, it will generate a revision number. Okay, so you can track your configuration changes with revision number. With revision number, you can restore your last configuration changes or any configuration changes. So revision number is an option. It's a feature in FortiManager device. The next feature, you can use your FortiManager device as a local FortiGuard servers. As I said, yes, we can use our FortiManager device. Okay, I'm not connecting all my FortiGate appliances, with FortiGuard server to download firmware version, to download latest signature update. No. What I'm doing, I'm using my FortiManager device as a FortiGuard server for all FortiGate products, for all FortiGate firewall devices. I can push signature update. I can upgrade firmware version. So I can use my FortiManager device as a local FortiGuard server. Firmware management, yes. If you are using your FortiManager device as a local FortiGuard server, yes, you can go with the centralized firmware management option. You can push script. You can push script here. So in our training, I will show you how to push any CLI script. And yes, I have a script option. Example, I will show you how to push any CLI script in FortiGate firewall. And we have pane managers. What is pane manager? So these are the management option. Let me show you. These are the pane manager option. These are the options available in FortiManager box. These are the options are available. What we have: device manager, policy and object, app manager, VPN manager, fabric view, FortiGuard, FortiSwitch, okay, system setting, FortiView. So these options are related with FortiManager. And you can use your FortiManager device as a FortiAnalyzer box. Yes, you can just enable one option. I will show you. I will show you. But my point is what? You can use your FortiManager device to act as a FortiAnalyzer also. And once you enable FortiAnalyzer feature in FortiManager box, you can get these options. These four options are related with These four options are related with FortiAnalyzer feature. Okay, so these are what? These are management panes, you can say. Management panes. Now, wait. What is default? What is default factory configuration? What is default factory configuration? So if you are working with any high-end appliance, any high-end series, so you can get dedicated management port. You can get dedicated management port in high-end appliance. But in case if you have any entry-level FortiManager appliance, so you can use your port number one as a management port. Why? Because by default, in port number one, we have this IP address and these services are enabled, okay, in port number one. Username is admin and password is nothing. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you this option. Wait. Wait, I'm creating topology. So for basic implementation, I have a simple topology, one FortiManager device and one management PC. Okay, wait. Let's add a FortiManager device. FortiManager device. This cloud I'm using as a LAN machine, as a management PC, you can say. Simple topology. You can connect your FortiManager device port number one with this cloud. This cloud is a management PC. You can right click to FortiManager and you can set a RAM option. Okay, here we need 4 GB RAM to start this FortiManager. Minimum 4 GB RAM and 2 virtual CPU to start this device. Apply, okay, and let's start this box. Right click and console. Please wait, this will take time. Ramana, Samir, Venuraj.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, this will take time. Can you please share your email ID in Zoom chat window? I'm sharing all the slides, EVNG full pack right now. This will take time.
In WhatsApp or
In our Zoom chat window.
okay.
Hello, David. Can you hear me? David?
Hello, sir. Can you hear
Hi,
me?
hi, David. Can you hear me, dear?
Yes.
Good evening, dear.
Yeah, good evening. I'm in the bar, so I'm getting back home.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm watching through my telephone.
If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, David.
Okay, no problem, no
Just
problem.
started. Yes, just started.
Yes, okay, good.
Okay, everyone. So this is what a login page. This is a login page, and this is what console option. Console option. Now you can log in with username admin, password. We can set 123 123. So we are in FortiManager device. Now let's start our verification first. Show system interface. So yes, we have 4 data interfaces: port number 1, port number 2, port number 3, and port number 4. Okay, we are using right now, we are using with FortiOS version 6.2. But yes, I will show you the option with latest OS version. We can go with 7.2 or 7.0, FortiOS version, FortiManager. So FortiManager 7.0. We can use 7.0. This will take time. Okay, let's go to topology. So now I'm trying to configure IP address on port number 1. Okay, port number 1 I'm using as a management port. So how to configure IP address? Config system interface. So we have same command syntax like FortiGate firewall box. Config system interface, edit port number 1. Edit port number 1. Now set IP. IP I'm using 192.168.255.195 in my design, in my topology. 255.195/24. Now you can allow some services. Set allows HTTP, HTTPS, ping, and SSH. And to save your configuration, to live your configuration, you can use ind command. So this cloud I'm using as a physical machine. Okay, this cloud is what? My physical laptop. My physical laptop. Okay, so let's verify our basic connectivity first. Basic connectivity. IP config. Yes, I'm using same series of IP address. Wait. VMNet 1. This see. VMNet 8. Same series of IP address. Let's verify our connectivity with FortiManager 192.168.255.195. Simple topology. One FortiManager and one management PC. And I'm getting reply. If I'm getting reply, so I can open any browser. I can open any browser. IP address I'm using 192.168.255.195. So this is graphical page. This is what? This is CLI option, CLI command. Okay, but this is graphical page. Wait. Username admin and password I'm using 123. So when you log in into this FortiManager device, you can see these are the options. We have these options right now. Device manager, policy and object, AP manager, VPN manager, FortiGuard, FortiSwitch, SOC, system setting. Multiple options are available. Okay, let's go with the system setting first. Let's go with the system setting option. So in system setting, you can see these options are available right now. These options. Dashboard, all ADOMs, network, HA, how to create administrator's account, certificate options are available, events logs you can verify, task monitor, and yes, some advanced options are available. Let's start our discussion with dashboard first. Dashboard we are using for monitoring, and it's a common page, everyone. It's a common page. If you are working with FortiGate firewall device or any graphical page option, any firewall device, it's a common page. Dashboard we are using for monitoring. So let's start our discussion with dashboard first. So in dashboard, we have system information. So this device host name is FMD VM64, serial number of this device, platform type. So for testing, we are working with VM firewall device. So this is what FMG VM64 KVM. So this is VM firewall box. Now HS status is standalone right now. System date and time. Firmware version. So right now we are using 6.2 OS version, build version 1398. System configuration. So yes, you can focus on backup and restore option. So these are the options for backup and restore. Current administrator. So yes, 2 admin account. One admin is managing this device through graphical page, and one admin we have in CLI option. So 2 admin account right now, current administrator, uptime information. Now you can see administrative domain option. Okay, this ADOM option is by default disabled. By default disable ADOM option. What is ADOM option? As I said, we can put our devices in ADOM. We can put our devices in ADOM. So by default, ADOM option is disabled. You can see disabled. If it is disabled, so if you are trying to log in, into this FortiManager device, for example, let's try to log out, and I'm trying to log in. If I'm trying to log in into this device, I'm getting these options, right? When I log in into this device, I'm getting these options. Now, once you enable your ADOM option, and you can enable your ADOM option with graphical page through CLI command. Let's enable with graphical page first. So you can enable administrative domain, enable this option. You can click on OK. If you click on OK, it will automatically log out. It will automatically log out, and you can try to log in again. So username admin, password 123, password 123. And this time, if I'm trying to log in into this device, this time I'm getting an option to select ADOM. Ramana, clear my point? David, Samir, Vinuraj. So we have option to select ADOM, everyone. We can select our ADOM. And this is default ADOM, everyone. Default ADOM is called what? Root ADOM. Default ADOM. You can click on root ADOM. Let's go to system setting. And by default, FortiAnalyzer feature is disabled. By default, see, FortiAnalyzer feature is disabled. If you want to enable, yes, it's a simple task. Just enable this option, click on OK, and this will take time. This will restart your FortiManager appliance. So once you enable FortiAnalyzer feature, it will restart your device. And please wait, this will take time. This will take time. This will take time, so let me share the slides and notes, EVG. Everyone, please check on your side. Now, this is login page, everyone. So username admin and password 123. Okay, I'm trying to access this FortiManager device with graphical page 192.168.255.195 IP. Username admin and password 123. Now you can see once you log in, everyone, once you log in now, because FortiAnalyzer feature is enabled, once you log in, you can see these options are available, and these options are related with FortiAnalyzer feature. Now let's go to system setting again, system setting. So now this time ADOM option is enabled, FortiAnalyzer feature is enabled. Let's talk about other options in dashboard. In dashboard, so you can go with system resources. You can verify CPU utilization, memory utilization, and disk uses. License information you can verify in dashboard. So license type is valid, management options, and FortiGuard. We don't have FortiGuard license right now. And right now, this FortiManager device is not connected with internet right now. Okay, unit operation. So you can restart your device with graphical page, or you can shut down. You can get all alert message here. All alert message here. Now let's talk about admin account. Let's talk about admin account. So here we have default admin account is called what? Admin. So you can focus on our back concept here. Our back concept. We can create multiple FortiManager administrator. The topic is what? R back role-based access control. And it's a common concept. If you are working with FortiGate firewall, FortiAnalyzer, FortiManager, it's a common concept. We can create multiple admin account to manage our device. And if you check here we have default admin account is admin. If you click on administrator, so yes, we have default admin account. And this admin account type is what? Local. So it is available in local database. And we have predefined profile here. It's called super_user. And this admin account is responsible for all ADOMs. So if any admin account has super_user profile, and if you add all ADOM option, it means right now, for example, this admin can manage all the ADOMs. This admin can install all policy package, and you can access this FortiManager device from any IP address. If you click on profile, so in FortiGate firewall, we have two predefined profiles. If you guys remember, in FortiGate, what we have super underscore admin profile and professional underscore admin profile in FortiGate firewall. But in FortiManager, we have 4 predefined profile: restricted underscore user, standard underscore user, super underscore user, and package underscore user. So let's talk about the difference. Let's talk about the difference. Difference in between these profiles. These are the predefined profile: package underscore user, restricted underscore user, standard underscore user, and super underscore user. So if any admin account has this profile, package underscore user, so this admin account has read-write access to policy package and object. So this admin account can create, can delete, can modify policy package and object. But this admin account has read-only access for system permission. What is system permission? I'm talking about this system setting, this system setting, this system setting. Now restricted underscore user profile, no system permission. Read-only access for all device permission. Standard underscore user profile, no system permission. And read-write access for all devices permission. And if anyone has super underscore user profile, so this admin can do any kind of changes. Any kind of change. All system permission, all device permission. Okay, so these are what? These are predefined profile, everyone. Predefined profile. If you want to create your own custom profile, so yes, you can go to create new option. And you can decide. You can create your profile. For example, I'm giving a name L3 admin 11 L3 admin profile, for example. Now you can see type. So in profile, you can decide type system admin or restricted admin. If you select restricted admin, for example, restricted admin, only these options are available. These access control permissions are available. But if you go with system admin, so yes, these are access control option, or you can say system setting option. And for these options, you can decide read write, read only, or none. You can decide. You can create your profile. For example, I want to provide read write access for everything. Just click on OK. You can create your own custom profile. Okay, this is what L3 admin. Okay, if I'm creating any administrator account, for example, any admin account, let's click on create new. And I'm creating admin account. For example, I'm creating admin 1. Okay, I'm creating admin 1. Type I'm using right now local database. But yes, I will show you how to do integration. I will show you how to do integration, how to integrate our FortiManager device with any remote authentication server like LDAP server. Okay, or with Active Directory. I will show you, no problem. But right now I'm creating user account in local database. Clear my point? David, Ramana, Samir, Venuraj.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Sir.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
I'm doing, I'm creating user account right now for basic testing. I'm creating user account in local database. It's just a database, Ramana.
Okay, sir.
Password I'm using 123. Okay, password 123. And now you can decide your admin profile. You can decide your admin profile. So yes, we have 4 predefined profile and 1 custom profile. Custom profile. So I'm trying to add standard underscore user profile. For example, standard underscore user profile. Okay, and this user account, see, administrative domain. This admin account can manage all ADOMs. Yes, you can define all ADOMs, or you can go with all ADOM except specified ones, or you can specify. For example, this admin A is only responsible for ADOM 1, for example. We have ADOM 1. Okay, I will show you how to create ADOM. But my point is what? You can specify, you can add your ADOM option. Right now, this admin account can manage all ADOPs, all policy package. Just click on OK. Click on OK. So we have admin 1 right now. Let's create one more admin account. Create new. Admin 5, for example. Type is local. Password I'm using 123, 123, and profile. So profile, okay, profile I'm trying to add L3 admin profile. Just click on OK. In L3 admin profile, if you guys remember, we have full access permission. So let's try to log in. Okay, let's try to log in with these admin account. Okay, log out. And I'm trying to log in with admin 1. With admin 1, we have standard underscore user profile. So now admin 1, password 123. I'm trying to log in into this FORTIMANAGER device, and as per our theoretical discussion, wait. As per our theoretical discussion, no system permission. Let's verify now. Let's verify. Root. I don't have system setting option. I hope it's clear. Everyone, David.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's try to log out. Yes, let's try to log out. And I'm trying to log in with admin 5, for example. I'm trying to log in with admin 5, password 123, login. Now, yes, root. And yes, admin 5 has L3 admin profile. So yes, you have an option for system setting because full control access. This is what our topic, our bag concept. Clear now my point? This topic, everyone?
Yes.
Let's continue this topic on Monday, everyone. Okay?
Okay.
Let's continue this topic on Monday. Our session is what? Our session is Monday to Thursday, 9 p.m. to, okay, everyone, can we do our session 9:30 to 10:30 p.m. IST?
Yes, it would be good.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay for me also.
David, for you, dear? David?
Yeah, that's okay for me.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Samir, for you, dear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. It
Okay.
would be okay.
So let's connect everyone on Monday at 9:30. So I'm sharing today's session recording in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, I'm sharing this recording. Okay, guys?
So have you shared
Okay, thank you.
have you shared the FORTIMANAGER image?
See, it is available into this EVNG full pack. Samir, okay. Let me show you. All the devices are available into this EVNG full pack. So try to download this EVNG full pack. See, right click, node. See, all the devices are available. Just download and import. Okay?
It will automatically install for
Yes, it's installed. Let me show you other options. You can go with FORTIMANAGER, FORTIGATE Firewall, FORTIAnalyzer, FORTIAnalyzer we have, FORTIGATE Firewall, FORTIMANAGER images. So please download this EVNG full pack. You can get all the devices. Okay, everyone?
Okay.
And let's continue
Okay.
our session on Monday. Bye,
Okay, sir.
guys. Take care. Good night, everyone.
Okay.
Good night. Good night.
Bye, everyone. Bye.
Thank you.